In this video, we are going to show you how you can lock cell in Microsoft Excel. Look, here is our two column. We want to lock this and these values. For this, first of all, we need to select all the cell in the Microsoft Excel sheet. For this, click here, then right click, then format cell, then here you can see the protection tab. Click the protection tab, you can see locked, then press OK. Then we want to unlock this cell so that we can easily enter any kinds of value in this cell, but we don't want to enter any kinds of value in yellow mark cell. For this, first of all, we need to select this and then right click, then go again format cell, then protection, uncheck the locked option, then OK. There another work to do. Here you should go to the review bar, then here you can see the protected sheet. Click here and click OK. Look, here you can use any value, but in the quantity you can't. Then Excel will show you a information that you can't. The cell is protected. This is how you can use Microsoft lock option for any kinds of data in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video.